Well, I was taking out the floor upstairs, and I guess they had punched a hole through one of the PEX lines, and now I know why floor upstairs lost a little bit of pressure. So, one more little thing. Killed the main level. Hopefully that'll stop the water flow. All right, I think I got the water stopped. I turned the water off at the main heater, so that's done. So I killed the switch at the boiler, and I turned all the levers up on the first floor. So now I'm gonna have to bust out concrete and repair the PEX.